Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Do you want to travel to Australia? Okay, then let's go together in this video. In this video, you will experience a wonderful journey through Australia with a slow and easy English story. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please try to find the answer while watching the video. So here is today's question. How does Hana feel after arriving in Australia? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Hana, we are finally here. Welcome to Australia.
Wow, the flight was very long. I am tired.
Yes, it took about 10 hours from Japan, but we made it.
10 hours is a long time. I watched 3 movies on the plane.
That is a good way to pass the time.
This airport is very big. There are so many people.
Yes, this is Sydney Airport. It is one of the biggest airports in Australia.
I see people from many different countries here.
Yes, Australia is a popular place for tourists. People come from all over the world.
I am a little nervous. My English is not very good.
Do not worry. People here are very kind. Just speak slowly.
Okay, I will try my best.
That is the right attitude. You will do fine.
Oh, Yuta, it is warm here. I am wearing a jacket, but I do not need it.
Yes, that is because Australia is in the southern hemisphere. When it is winter in Japan, it is summer here.
Oh, I see. That is interesting. The seasons are opposite.
Yes, exactly. So we can enjoy warm weather while it is cold back home.
That is nice. I like warm weather.
Me too. Now let us go get our bags.
Okay, I am excited to start our trip.
Me too. Australia has so many things to see and do.
Yuta, this city is so beautiful. The sky is so blue.
Yes, Sydney is a very famous city. Many people visit here every year.
The air feels fresh and clean.
Yes, that is one of the nice things about Sydney.
The streets are clean too. And look at those tall buildings.
Yes, Sydney has many modern buildings, but it also has old and beautiful ones.
I like that mix of old and new. It is very charming.
I agree. Every street has something interesting to see.
Oh, that man said hello to us. He smiled at me.
Yes, Australian people are very friendly. They often say hello to strangers.
That is nice. In Japan, we do not usually talk to strangers.
That is true, but here it is normal and friendly.
I feel more relaxed now. People seem very nice.
Good. In Australia, people often say "g'day" as a greeting. It means good day.
Good day. That sounds fun. I want to try it.
You should try it. People will be happy to hear it from a visitor.
Okay. Good day.
Very good, Hana. You sound like a local.
Thank you. I will practice more. Oh my goodness. Is that the opera house? It is so beautiful.
Yes, that is the Sydney Opera House. It is very famous around the world.
It looks like big white shells. The design is amazing.
Yes, many people say it looks like shells or sails of a boat.
I think it looks like both. It is very creative.
The architect was from Denmark. His name was Bjorn Utzon.
Oh, interesting. He did a wonderful job.
Yes, the building took many years to complete, but it was worth the wait.
I have seen it in pictures before, but it is more beautiful in real life.
I agree. Pictures cannot capture how amazing it really is.
The water behind it is so blue. It is a perfect view.
Yes, the Opera House is right next to the harbor. That is why the view is so nice.
Is the Opera House a World Heritage Site?
Yes, it is. That means it is a very important place in the world.
Wow, that is special. I am glad we came here.
Yes, places like this are protected for the future, so people can enjoy them for many years.
I want to take a picture. Can you take one for me?
Of course. Stand over there. The Opera House will be behind you.
Like this? Is this okay?
Perfect. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Yuta. Let me see. Oh, it looks great.
You look happy. This is a good memory.
Yes, I will never forget this moment. I want to show this to my family.
They will love it. Let us take one together, too.
Good idea. Excuse me, can you take our picture, please?
Sure.
Thank you so much. That is very kind of you. Yuta, I am tired. My feet hurt a little. Can we take a break?
Sure. Let us go to that cafe over there. It looks nice.
Good idea. I want something to drink. Maybe something cold.
Do you want coffee? Australia is famous for its coffee.
Really? I did not know that. I thought Italy was famous for coffee.
Italy is famous too, but Australian coffee is also very good. Many people say it is some of the best in the world.
That is surprising. I want to try it now.
There is a special coffee called a flat white. Many people say it started in Australia or New Zealand.
Flat white? What is that?
It is coffee with smooth, creamy milk. It is not too strong and not too weak.
That sounds good. I will try it.
Good choice. I will have the same.
Wow, this coffee is delicious. It is so smooth.
I'm glad you like it. Australians really love their coffee.
I can understand why. This is better than I expected.
Many Australians drink coffee every morning. Some people drink 2 or 3 cups a day.
That is a lot. This cafe is nice too, very relaxing.
Yes, cafe culture is very strong in Australia. People come here to relax and talk with friends.
I see many people working on their laptops too.
Yes, some people like to work in cafes. The atmosphere is nice.
I like this. It is different from Japan.
Yes, every country has its own culture. That is why traveling is fun.
You are right. I am learning many new things on this trip.
That is the best part of traveling.
Look, Yuta. There are kangaroos. So many of them.
Yes, kangaroos are everywhere in Australia. They're a symbol of this country.
I have never seen a real kangaroo before, only in pictures and videos.
Now you can see them with your own eyes. How do you feel?
I feel so excited. They are so cute. Look at that baby in the mother's pouch.
That is called a joey. Baby kangaroos are called joeys.
Joey? That is a cute name for a baby kangaroo.
Yes, it is an Australian word. Very cute, right?
That is amazing. They are jumping. They move so fast.
Yes, kangaroos can jump very far. Their legs are very strong.
How far can they jump?
They can jump about 9 meters in one jump. That is very far.
Wow, that is incredible! I wish I could jump like that.
That would be useful for traveling.
Oh, and look over there. Is that a koala?
Yes, it is. Koalas are also only found in Australia.
It is sleeping in the tree. So cute. It looks like a teddy bear.
Koalas sleep a lot. They sleep about 20 hours a day.
20 hours? That is almost the whole day. Why do they sleep so much?
They eat eucalyptus leaves. These leaves do not give them much energy, so they need to rest a lot.
I see. That makes sense. They look so peaceful.
Yes, koalas are very calm animals. They do not move very much.
Australia has many unique animals. You cannot see them anywhere else in the world.
That is right. Australia is special because it is an island. The animals here are different from other places.
That is so interesting. I am happy I came here. Yuta, look at this pamphlet. The water is so blue and clear.
That is the Great Barrier Reef. It is one of the most famous places in Australia.
Great Barrier Reef? I have heard that name before. It is a coral reef, right?
Yes, it is the largest coral reef in the world. It is very, very big.
How big is it?
It is about 2,300 kilometers long. Some people say it is so big that you can see it from space.
Wow, that is incredible. I cannot imagine something that big.
It is made of billions of tiny animals called coral. They have been growing for thousands of years.
That is amazing. The fish and coral look so colorful in this picture.
Yes, there are many kinds of fish, turtles, and other sea animals there.
I can see yellow fish, blue fish, and even striped fish.
Yes, there are over 1,500 kinds of fish in the Great Barrier Reef.
That is so many. I want to go there. Can we swim in the water?
Yes, you can swim and snorkel. You can see the fish and coral up close.
What is snorkeling?
Snorkeling is swimming with a mask and a tube. You can breathe and see underwater at the same time.
Oh, that sounds fun. I want to try it.
It is very fun. The water is warm and clear.
That sounds wonderful. I really want to see it with my own eyes.
Maybe next time. The Great Barrier Reef is in a different part of Australia. It is in the north.
How far is it from Sydney?
It is about 2,000 kilometers away. You need to take a plane.
Okay, then I have a reason to come back to Australia.
That is a good way to think about it.
I will definitely come back to see the Great Barrier Reef. What a long day. I am tired but happy.
Yes, we did many things today. Did you have fun?
Yes, very much. Everything was wonderful. I had a great time.
What was your favorite part of today?
That is a hard question. I loved everything, but maybe the opera house.
The opera house was beautiful. I'm glad you liked it.
It was even more amazing than I imagined. The view of the water was perfect.
Yes, standing in front of it was a special moment.
And the koalas were so cute. I want to see them again.
Maybe we can go back tomorrow.
Really? That would be great. I want to take more pictures of them.
Sure, we can do that.
What will we do tomorrow?
We can walk around more and see other parts of the city. There is still a lot to explore.
Are there other famous places in Sydney?
Yes, there are many. We can visit the Harbor Bridge and some beautiful parks.
That sounds nice. I am looking forward to it.
Australia is such a nice country.
Yes, it is. The people are kind, the weather is nice, and there is so much to see.
And the food and coffee are great too.
Yes, I loved the flat white. I want to drink it again tomorrow.
We can find another nice cafe.
I want to come back again someday.
Me too. There's still many places we have not visited.
Like the Great Barrier Reef.
Yes, exactly. We have a lot to look forward to.
Thank you for today, Yuta. You helped me a lot. I felt safe traveling with you.
You're welcome. Your English was good today. You talked to many people.
Really? Thank you. I feel more confident now. I was nervous at first, but now I feel better.
That is great. Traveling is a good way to practice English.
Yes, I think so too. I will keep practicing.
Good. Let us rest now. We have another fun day tomorrow.
Okay. Good night, Yuta.
Good night, Hana. Sleep well.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this slow and easy English travel story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. How does Hana feel after arriving in Australia? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and feel more confident using English. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.